everybody. So today I'm going to talk about 5 ways to improve your mindset. The first one that I highly suggest everyone do is make sure you write down your goals and also write down what you're grateful for. This gives you the motivation to do better. Second thing is to stay away from naysayers. You're going to always have negative people in your life, whether it's family, friends, or even loved ones or significant others. Make sure you don't pay attention or listen to their negative comments. Don't let them get to you, no matter how close they are to you, because they will get you off track. And number 3 is exercise. It's very important to exercise. Exercise increases blood flow into the brain, and it helps you think. And it helps you think and give you more creativity, and it makes you more productive. So it's very important to exercise at least 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 days a week. The fourth thing is follow successful or inspirational people who are already at the top or they're getting to the top. In other words, follow people who are on the same track as you. They don't have to be super successful. They can be on the same level. As long as you have that social group, whether it's in person or online, then you are on the right track. And last but not least is to make sure you take action in whatever you pursue to do. So for instance, writing a book, creating a video, a photography photo, anything that requires action, I highly recommend you do that, because the more action you take, although it's more risky, you will learn along the way. I hope you found this video very useful. If you have any questions or concerns, please respond below and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.